Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Justin here. As you can see, winter wonderland up here in northern Minnesota. We're saying, I don't know, there's a couple different models between 6 and 8 and 8 to 11 inches of snow. So it's about 10 o'clock here now, and it's Sunday. So I'm gonna come down here, which I don't think the lake is probably the best place to measure, but I'm gonna go on the top of this boat here, and right there, 5.25 inches of snow as of right now. It's supposed to go until like midnight, 2 a.m. Monday morning. So at some point here, I got Trinity's car up and running. I gotta try and get her home to her mom's place today. I got Clifford running. When I get back, I'll get the ASV running, and that's how I'm gonna be doing my plowing this year for now. Hopefully big surprises here coming up here shortly. By the end of the week, we'll hold off on that news until the deal goes big. The old blue truck, that's pretty much been dead in the water since last winter. I think maybe the motor went on it. Finally, 300,000 miles. I think the motor might have went on that one. So I really haven't messed with that too much. I should just throw some new batteries in it and see if it goes. But if it don't go, then I know it's pretty much the motor's junk. So it's been a good truck overall. I mean, normal plowing wear and tear. But yeah, so right now what we're doing, we're gonna get Trinity packed up. I just got word from folks that live down on the main roads, the plows are out. So I'm gonna try and get her out of here. I gotta get some fuel for Clifford, the ASV, and generator, and get my butt back home and hunker down and prepare to move snow here probably wee hours of the morning. So maybe here in a little bit I'll get a video of the boys, the doggies out here playing in the snow. It's funnier than heck. So wait till you see their faces once they get their faces full of snow. But yeah, that's what we got going right now. We'll get back to you here in a little bit. Alright, Trinity made it home. I'm on my way back. What do you think of this white stuff? How about you, Badger? Badger. Oh, he's got his head out the window. There he is. Winter wonderland here in northern Minnesota. Got lots of snow. I think we're up to 8 inches for sure now. So get home, let these boys out and run around. And get that ASV fired up. Days like this, sometimes you can see a deer standing out on these little openings. He must be hunkered down into the pine. it's not a wet snow right now. It's a pretty dry and powdery snow. So thank goodness for that, or else you can see all these trees with the snow on it. It would be an absolute mess. Alright, had to clear out the road once from the wet snow earlier. Deer season, November there. If you guys watched my video on this hat can tell a story, you can see how wet and how tangled up and mess these trees were at that time. So now we'll get home and get these boys out, get the ASV fired up. I think it's time to move some snow, try and get my snowblower for the ASV back towards home. Do some work on that. I bought it a couple years ago, really cheap, because there's something wrong with it, so I gotta diagnose that, and if I gotta get a new pump or what I gotta get for that thing, and then get it hooked up onto the ASV, and that'd be pretty cool to be able to snow blow my mile-long driveway and get that snow way back into the trees. That would be pretty huge, but hopefully this coming week you'll see a new toy coming in. John Ritter from a bit will do. Wait until you see what I may have coming. Ott. Hey, Ott. Alright, here we go. So I'd say since we're gone about an hour or so, another inch or two. Badger. Alright, got one boy up there eating, the little man over there eating. This fired up. Yay! I did this week, or actually into last week. I don't know if you guys can see if I can figure out how to zoom this thing. Anyway, got put a new chimney up. I actually put metal asbestos inside our old brick chimney for a flue. Back when my grandfather built this place, put brick up, he didn't put flue in. So every once in a while we have chimney fires and stuff, and it gets kind of sketchy. And the bricks were starting to crack, so I put that in new. I think if you find my ear headphones here, back into Clifford. Jump in this ASV and see how it does. See if she moves. Hopefully it's warmed up enough. Okay guys, as you can tell, she's getting dark. So that will be it for now. Tomorrow, when it finally stops, it looks like it's letting up now, but there's supposed to be another cloud coming. So we have potential between up to 11 inches on this snow. So what I'm going to do is call her quits for now and let these boys down, because look at this fella, big old white beard. Come here, buddy. Stay. Let him down. Hopefully he doesn't slip and hurt himself here. Yep, buddy. Good boy. Turn around. Hurry up. Go play before I let you off. And look at my poor tires. I'm gonna have to kick that stuff out. Oh, Otzi, you got all tangled up, buddy. Yeah. All right, let them run a second. Get their dog food right here. All right. So guys, what I'm gonna do is call this one quits for now. I don't know how well you can see me with it getting this late. Them dogs are funny. Glad they get along. So, as you can see with the bucket, it takes quite a bit of work. So, I don't know. Maybe the snowblower. Maybe look into getting a snow blade for that. And it really doesn't have to angle a whole lot. Maybe just one way a little bit. And then call that good. I don't know. What do you guys think? Go down in the comments and let me know what you think. This is the first time really pushing with ASV for snow. So I know the snowblowers are good, but you gotta remember, I got a mile-long driveway. So I don't know if it'd be good to use a snowblower, you know, for how wide it is. You know, that might take 2, 3, 4 passes. Or do I just go down to a wider snowplow blade with it angled and hopefully be able to get it in 2 passes, or at least, you know, wide enough for a truck and trailer. I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. And as always, please share with your friends, give us the old thumbs up, and subscribe. Please subscribe. So we're almost to our 4,000 views on our episodes. So, but we need the subscribers. So please go ahead and hit subscribe, and tell all your friends too as well. That would we really appreciate it. We really try and work hard at getting these videos out. I know they've been kind of sporadic, but we've had a lot going on this year with family medical stuff, and there's a bunch of other things going on. So we're trying to get back at it. So thanks, guys. Till next time. Come on, boys. Hey, up. And here comes that dynamic duel, maybe. Come in. Up, 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 up. Kind of reminds me of my brother and he was older and I was younger. I was always driving him nuts.